Today we are going to learn how to write some patterns in Python. Patterns in the sense like printing stars in a triangle pattern, printing stars in a character like A, B, C, D up to Z, and printing numbers in a triangle pattern, printing alphabets in a some equilateral triangle or right angle triangle in that pattern. So today we will gonna learn everything. Okay. First of all, I will show how to print a character, like how to print stars in a character. The first character in the alphabet is called A, right? Capital A. So I will show you how to print character A using stars. Okay. Before going to do the program, let's think how it will work. Okay. See, here I am taking 7 rows and 7 columns, which means to print A I am taking 7 rows and 7 columns. If you want the size of A should be more, then you can take more columns and more rows. Okay. So here I am taking 7 rows and 7 columns. So to print character A, see how it will work. So I have to print in first column. I have to print one first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and sixth row as star, except zeroth row. Okay. In same way, think in sixth column. I have to print star in first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, except zero column. So we need to check this condition. Okay. In first column, except zeroth row, we need to print all other rows as star. Same way, in sixth column, we need to print stars except zeroth row. So after printing this, what is the remaining? We need to print in zeroth row column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. We need to print star except 0 and 6th column. And coming to the third row, we need to print all rows. In third row, all columns as star. So to print character A, we need to follow all these conditions. Okay, this is how we have to do program. Okay, yeah. Now coming to the program. So first of all, how many rows I have taken? 7 rows. For that 119 row for row in range. How many? 0, comma 7. Why I have taken here 7? Because while taking in the range, it will take as 0 to 7 means 0 to n minus 1 means 0 to 6 columns it will count. Okay. Then how many columns I have taken? For column in range 0, comma 7 means 6 columns I have taken, right? Okay. This is what? This rows and columns. Just I have just taken this rows and columns without anything. Okay. Now I need to check the conditions. What are the condition? In my first column, except 0th row, I need to print star in all rows. Okay. Right? Okay. Condition. If my first column, what I need to print? So first column is 0, right? This is my first column. First column which one? 0. Okay. See, observe here. Whatever the first column occurs, the same thing occurs in sixth column, right? We need to get the same pattern in sixth column also, right? So we have to include here sixth column, either column 0 or column 6. Okay. Now this is included, right? Next, what I need to do? And I have checked another condition here. What is that condition? I have to exclude row 0 in column 0 and row 0 in column 6. I need to exclude. To exclude that, what I need to include? And so, and I need to do row not equals to 0. So I don't want print star in column 0 and 6 in this row as a star. Okay. Now what all we got? This thing I got. This one I got. What else I need to get? In 0th row I have to print column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 as a star. In row 3 I have already printed this one. What we need to print? Remaining things. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So same in row 0, row 5 I need to print column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 as a star, right? Okay, now write the condition for that. R. Okay, now which row? Row is equal to 0 means this row 0, and which another column we need, which another row we need to find? Row 3, right? R row is equals to 3, right? Next what I need to check the condition, and we need to exclude, right? We need to exclude which one? Column. We need to exclude this, right? Column 0, column 6. To print only, we need to only print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. We need to exclude 0 and 6 in both row 0 and row 3, right? See, column greater than 0. Okay. Column less than 6. Okay. Column less than 6. You got it right? So what we need to print? Print star. Okay, after printing we have to give some space. Okay, to print next character. Okay, what if other than we need to print space? We need to print space other than these conditional characters. To print stars other than we need to print space. So in else statement, else we need to print space. Okay, then okay, now we have printed star wherever we need condition to print star. Wherever we don't want to print anything, we'll print a white space. Okay, what? So what else we need to print? After executing each column, okay, after executing each column, we need to change to next line, right? After executing each row, right? After executing this, we need to go to next line. After executing each row, we need to go next line. After executing this row, we need to go next row. After executing this row, we need to go next row. What we need to include to come to the next line? We need to include new line character. So what we need to print? Print new line character. Okay. After printing each row, we need to come to the next row. That's why I have included \n. Okay, this is my program. Now let's execute this program. See this output. I have got the my pattern A. Okay, like this you can do your program. Okay, in my next tutorial I'll teach how to print pattern B. Okay. and also I will teach you how to print other characters. Okay, thank you guys.